Hurricane, I see that you've recruited a new tag team partner.
Ooh, this is the Hurricane's main man, Tropical Storm.
That's right, I'm Tropical Storm. I'm no hurricane, but I can still do some damage. Just when you think you're safe, I strike.
Ooh, champ. Ooh, I'd like to see what you're gonna do when the hurricane and tropical storm come a blowing into town.
More than likely, the champ's going to be ready with essential supplies like batteries and medicine and water.
Oh, yeah. That sounds pretty reasonable.
Are you prepared? For more information about hurricane preparedness, visit greenvillenc.gov.